Now, remodeling a bathroom can get really expensive, but I recently remodeled a bathroom in my house for under $500. So stick around and I'll show you how I did it. And at the end of the video, I'll give you a cost breakdown so you can see where I spent my money. I recently moved, which meant that I had some decisions to make about how I was going to get my house ready to sell. One of the questions was on this bathroom. Now, on the surface it may look fine, but it isn't. It's old, the kids have destroyed it, the vanity is stained and broken, the flooring's terrible. In fact, the previous owners installed some new flooring years ago, but didn't do a great job and left a bunch of gaps. I always intended to fix it, but other projects got in the way. So when deciding whether to leave it and hope for the best or remodel it, I decided to do a quick remodel on the cheap and try to increase the value and appeal of my home before I sell it. Now, first I was worried about the flooring because I didn't have a lot of time and I wasn't sure if I would have the time to rip it out and replace it. But as I was researching, I found out that vinyl flooring can be installed directly on top of existing flooring. There's no need to rip out the old one. The only caveat is that the floor needs to be clean and level. So I cleaned it and I used this floor patch and leveler to fill all the gaps. Next, I put a waterproof seal around the tub. From there, I removed all the floor trim. One quick tip on removing trim is to put a thin piece of wood behind your hammer or crowbar. This will protect the soft sheetrock wall and keep you from punching holes which will need to be repaired later. As I'm installing the flooring, I also cut the door trim with a jam saw so that the flooring could be easily installed underneath the trim. I did run into a nail on one side though, and that took a little bit of time to get through. Now this is the 5th bathroom that I've ever remodeled. In the past I've always used tile, but I have to say that I was really impressed with this vinyl. It's waterproof, it's easy to cut and easy to install, and most of all, it's really quick. I still think that tile is a much better long-term choice for a bathroom, but for my purposes, this was perfect, and the price was just right. Once I'm finished installing the floor, I add another bead of waterproof caulk around the tub, and we're ready to go. Now it's time to install the new vanity. This is not the exact vanity that I would have chosen if I was staying in this house, but I got it on sale for $200, which I think is a steal. I cut out the back for the plumbing and get everything installed. Next, I install a tile backsplash. To do this, I use a tile setting mat. This stuff is great. It just sticks to the wall and then the tile sticks to it. It doesn't require any backer board or thin set. And once you add the grout, the tile is secure. To be clear, it should never be used, in my view, for a shower or a tub because it's not waterproof, but for a backsplash like this, it's perfect. With the tile installed and a few paint touch-ups, the bathroom's done. Well, here is the breakdown of what I spent. The vanity itself was $200. The vinyl flooring and the tools I used to install it were about $150. The fixtures and plumbing supplies were about $75. The backsplash, including the tile mat, was about $50. Other odds and ends like caulk, floor leveler, and other tools were around $25. So for under $500, I gave this bathroom a huge facelift, and I think it really helped when we went to sell our home. Again, I don't know if it increased the value, but it definitely increased the appeal. Thanks for watching. I hope that you found this video helpful, and if you did, be sure to hit that like button. Be sure to also subscribe to my channel for more great DIY videos and to check out some of my other videos here. And we'll see you in the next one.